Hello everyone, I'm back with my new video. I've got new video for DJI Mini 4 Pro. I'm going to show you what exactly comes in this box. Yeah, I bought this online. I will be leaving the link below on my video, so if you want to order it and get the same box with the package in there, follow my link and then you probably be able to get some discount from their DJI website, or you can go your local supermarket, like local stores such as Currys and August. That's just mostly in the UK. So I would recommend, if you want to order from their original website, the official website. This is the best way to do it. Probably get more benefits in the package. Yeah, it comes with this beautiful shoulder bag. You can travel everywhere and you can carry it. It's very safe and secure, and it's very soft as well, the material. I'm going to show you all the stuff comes in it. So please follow my page. I will be posting next video how it works when I drive first time. I never flew yet, but I will be flying it soon, just to test it. But I will be recording it how it went, because I'm not in the UK at the minute, so I'm doing it slowly, step by step. But I will have to see the local restriction for flying the drone once I know, and I'll be going through with them. So here's the two. I've got 3 packets of these wings. I think it's 3 or 4, but yeah, you get 3 packs of wings. You've got screwed out and screwed in there, and that is the remote. Try opening it, but it's not letting me, so I'll leave this for now and then try go for a battery. You get 3 batteries, rechargeable batteries, and you can charge it with the C charger or the normal one. So one battery is already in the flyer drone, which is not been taken out. Yeah, that's just it. Very handy. This is cover for the camera. It's got 2 side cameras as well. So there's one main camera and there's 2 little cameras on the top. I don't know if you can see it, but there is 2 little cameras on left and right. That is the holder of the wings. So make sure you don't lose that. Once you use it, just put it back in and cover that so your wings goes around, so it doesn't get twisted or damaged. Yeah, it's very lightweight and beautiful. So I'm going to try again this remote and show you what exactly it looks like. Yeah, there you go. Finally I made it. This is it. You can open these wings, and basically these only, I think, catches the signals that connects with the drone. There was one mistake I was doing. So if you want to turn this on, you press the start button once and then leave it, and then press it again and hold it for a couple of seconds. That's how it turns on, but I wasn't doing it right way, so it did not turn on, I think. Plus the battery wasn't really charged as well. Yeah, these are holders, so you can just screw it in, and once you use it, just take them off and put it back in, so it just makes it easy, so it doesn't get damaged. You don't get spares, but just be careful every time you use it. Take them off and put it back at the back of the controller. Yeah, I've tried it again, but because I didn't know, on the right hand side there's a button to record the video, and on the left hand side is press on the top of the remote to take a picture of any shot you want to. So yeah, all these stuff here as I'm showing you comes in the package. There's a screwdriver, 3 packets of wings, drone, aircraft, 3 batteries, rechargeable batteries, remote and cover. Plus you get this little screwdriver, so if you want to change or open anything you can